First stop, Staples. I see, honey. We could get these 12 rolls that equal 48 because they are $18.99. My coupon is 10 off 20, so we just have to look for something for $2. Should we get tissue or command hooks? Maybe I will get the $14 one since I'm getting these command hooks. So I'll get the $14 tissue and these command hooks and we're ready to go. Put it back, okay? Kyler, put it back, honey. Put it back, not today, okay? Why are you exploring, dude? Are you exploring? What is that? Okay. Good job putting it back, good job. What do you got there? You found something? A calculator. Gonna calculate your money? Okay. And you found a football. You found a little football. Where did that come from? I see it. I see it. No, I see it. I found it. Yeah. Hi, how are you? Good. Can you scan this for the rewards? I'm not sure, but that's a coupon. That is with my coupon off. So stoked. Do I want cash back? No. Sure it is. You got your football? Yes. Football. Good job. Let's go, dude. Got your football. I got my tissue, and we're out. Hands. Hands. Good job, man. Good job. All right, off to the next store. Morning. Do I just sit this right here? Okay. Have a good one. Back. Grapes. An arm and a leg. Yes, we're 50. Can I get a pound and a half of the Eckrich Genoa salami?
Yeah, pound there.
Coming right up. Sliced thin. Thank you so much. I see it. That's perfect. Thank you. Yeah. Say hi. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great one.
You have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Lettuce. These bags of lettuce are 2 for $3. But the problem with this says old-fashioned coleslaw. Okay, so they're not 2 for $3. I need the one with, okay, double carrots. These don't look too bad, but the bag behind it is fresher. And it says March 19th, so we get that bag. See, that looks way better. So we're in the cereal aisle. That would be granola bars, right? Yes, it would. Woot, woot. They are on sale 2 for $5. And there's 8 in a pack. No, they're not on sale for 2 for $5. These are, but those are the ones my kids eat. My kids eat these ones. So they're not on sale. So we'll just have to get one box at $3.49 of the variety pack, and they are just gonna have to figure out how to make it through the week. Let's go on to the sausages. These are the sausages. They're so yummy. See, Kyla likes them. All right, dude, we've got our food. We're out. Time to roll. You ready to go? Oh, I know, pumpkin. My son is hoarding the sausages. I guess that means he's hungry. All right. Which ones, dude? You want the mega stuffed? Want these ones? Alrighty, Party City, here we come. I saw these really cool plastic wine glasses with no stems for cheap that I could use in the bathroom rental that I'm doing. So I want to see if I can get them. Yeah, you see those balloons, man? See those balloons? Let's go down here. Those are really cute and small.
These are 30, right?
They're only $1.29. But we are looking for the wine glasses. I hope I'm in the right aisle. They're so colorful and pretty. I feel like I passed them already. It never fails. Are these it? No, because these are kind of it. But those aren't it because they are $5.99, and the ones I saw are $9.99. So I'm assuming it has to be in this area somewhere. So I found them a 12 count, and it says $12.99 here, but I saw them online for $9.99. So we'll see what happens at the register. Yeah, it is. Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Hi.
So I saw these online for $9.99. Are they? Can you see if they ring up $9.99? Because over there they said 12.
No, everything is cheaper online. Or it's
Oh my God, are you serious right
So
now?
what we do here at our store, we just price match.
Oh, that's perfect. That's
Let me see
perfect.
them.
Oh, all right. So we got our plastic wine glasses for the $9.99. That nice lady was awesome, and she price matched for us, and we're ready to go. She price matched the website for us. Yes, she did. All right, Dollar Tree. This is our local Dollar Tree. far I found all these little gadgets that I need. These are the baskets that I was thinking about, but I wanted the square ones for the tissue, and these actually, Kyler, come here. Those actually are too small, so we'll try Lowe's for that. Yeah, hold on, honey, hold on. I don't see the magic eraser. All I see is this dollar store brand Scrub Buddies. This is crayon and scuff marks. Don't think that's what I'm looking for. I might have to get it at Lowe's. You are something else, kid. You are something else. Hi, pumpkin. Okay, long nose pliers. Oh, paint brushes. We found them, and they have a 2-pack. I'm so stoked about that. I'm so stoked. So I'm going to get these ones. Okay, that one's open. I'm going to get these ones, the 2-pack, because they look pretty cool. And then I am going to get, I think I have a pack of these already at home. I don't know if I should get these or these. This one to paint my, decor that is going to go on the wall. I might just use this first. I guess it's not so bad. But the foam brushes, I use the foam brush. I have some of these at home. I just can't find them. But that bristle brush drives me insane. Okay, let's go, honey. Ready? Okay, let's go. Going to Lowe's. Right, pumpkin. These are so dope, and they look so rustic, and they're so inexpensive. I love these little baskets. Yes, honey? This is a big one. I like that one so much. And I could spray paint it black, and it'll be so cute. Let's see what the other one looks like. That one isn't a bad shape either, dude. You like that one? Uh-oh, be careful, honey. Be careful, okay? You like that one? That's a cool shape. I like that one because it has the handles on the side. I think we can get our big rolls of tissue in there. I think so. I like the other one though. It's bigger and they're the same price. So that kind of doesn't. So it's not really bigger, it's just longer. Let's see if it's wider. Oh, it is bigger. Look at that. It's way bigger. It can hold more big things of tissue in there. But it might protrude out more from the wall than I would like. And I don't want to return anything back. So I think we'll try to work with this basket here. And it also has like a little sign piece, which is so cool that my son does not want me to show. It has a great little sign piece. So I love that. I wonder if you could move the sign piece, but we'll figure that out later. Yeah, Best Buy. We're only in here to get a few short things. Kids are mental for these things. So here we are at Best Buy for these. Hi, how are you?
How you doing, man?
Good.
Just these 2 items for you?
Yep. Tyler, no, come over here.
Yep.
You too, thank you. Come on, man. Have a good one, you too. And that was the last store. We are on our way home to get Kyler some lunchy and me some lunchy and figure out what's going on with my orders for my website. And then I'm probably going to take a nap because I am exhausted. Like, I am truly exhausted. I just need a break from a whole lot of reality right now, like a vacation of sorts where I don't think about anything. But until then, see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Say bye-bye.